LLM-powered AI characters are great at natural conversations, but traditionally they have been limited by two factors. First, the ability to access real-time data as it happens, such as weather updates, stock prices, or live order tracking. And second, the ability to dynamically interact with external systems for creating support tickets, updating databases, and more. Well, now, with Convey's external API, we are bridging this gap by allowing embodied AI characters to fetch real-time data and even interact with external systems, rendering these AI characters far more capable in real-world applications. Let's check out a demo.
Hello, I'm Arena, your dedicated sports analyst. How can I assist you today?
Arena, is there any sports match happening right now?
Sure, let me look up live sports matches for you.
Cool, I'll wait.
If you're into football, there's a UEFA Champions League match happening right now between Barcelona and Benfica.
Here the AI character simply fetched real-time sports data. Let's see another demo for a more complex scenario.
Hello there, I'm Raya, your virtual shopping assistant. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to place a request to return an order.
Can you tell me the reason for the return and also confirm the order ID?
I accidentally ordered 2 of the same bottles yesterday. The order ID is 1926.
Sure, let me look up your order details real quick.
Raya looks up the order ID in the external database to identify the customer and retrieve details.
Mr. Price, I see your order details here. I can schedule a pickup for you tomorrow around this time and ensure a full refund. Do you wish to proceed?
Certainly. Thanks, Raya.
Very well. I'll schedule a return for your order now. A full refund will be issued once the order is picked up. Thanks for shopping with ABZ at sunny California.
After receiving confirmation, Raya proceeds with creating a support ticket for order return. In this video, we'll teach you how to add external API to your character to fetch weather details. We'll also show you the process of creating a custom external API for creating support tickets on Jira. Let's get started. We'll start by heading over to Convey Playground and creating a new character. Provide a name and generate a description for your character. Feel free to update the language and voice for your character, tweak their personality, and more. Once you're happy, head over to the External API tab and add your API method. You can choose from the selection of APIs available on the platform, or write your own implementation code to test out your custom API. I'll select the Get Weather API, which has a method description, input description with the required parameter, and the implementation code. Add your API key here. We'll fill out the input box with the required parameter and add a city name here. After a quick test, we can see the output shows overcast clouds, which matches the actual weather in Tokyo. Let's try it with New York this time. The output shows clear skies, same as the weather in New York City. Now let's save these changes and try talking with our character.
Hello there, I'm Bella, your weather anchor from XYZ News. It's wonderful to meet you.
It's great to meet you as well.
Oh, I'm so glad. Is there anything I can help you with today?
Could you tell me about the weather in Dubai?
Sure, let me quickly look up the weather in Dubai.
All right.
There's clear skies in Dubai today. Seems like a great time to step out.
As you can see, the character gives you a live weather update in Dubai. All the external APIs you add to your character would be saved over here. Now let's take a look at another example. Here we have another AI character called Raya, and we'll add a custom external API for creating support tickets on Jira. Start by providing a method name and add a method description. Then add the input description in JSON format, and finally add the implementation code. We have provided these in the description. The implementation code requires a Jira domain, API endpoint, email address, and Jira API token. Let's quickly add the required parameters. Provide a string input for summary and for description and give it a quick test. As you can see, we have received a successful result. Our ticket has also been created. We have created a new project for the purpose of this demonstration on Jira. Let's have a quick chat with Raya.
Oh my gosh, hello there. I'm Raya, and it's so lovely to meet you. I'm a bit of a whirlwind, but I'm in here to help make things smoother. What can I do for you today?
Raya, can you help me create a support ticket?
Sure, can you share a short summary for the support ticket?
Just call it support for XYZ.
Okay, can you also share a description for the ticket, please?
Something like service clients at XYZ.
Very well. I will create a support ticket right away.
As you can see, Raya asked us for the required parameters, and our support ticket has also been created. This was a quick tutorial for Convey's external API feature. We look forward to seeing the amazing projects you build using this. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Convey tutorials, and join our amazing developer community pushing the boundaries of what AI characters can do in virtual worlds. Happy development, and see y'all very soon.